up, Crypto Warriors? It's Ultra Crypto back at it again. It is Saturday, the 30th of January, 2021. Bitcoin is taking a little cool off period right now over the past 24 hours, trading sideways. Bitcoin and Ethereum both trading sideways over the past 24 hours. It pumped 20% from the Elon tweet, or I shouldn't say tweet, since he updated his Twitter handle, or not his handle, but his Twitter profile, I should say, with hashtag Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is just taking a cool off period. What we're seeing pump right now is XRP. Congratulations to you XRP bag holders out there. And DOT is still trading pretty much sideways. Cardano is up. Chainlink is up. A little mixture of red and green across the board. Litecoin a little on the red. Stellar is up. Bitcoin Cash sideways. Binance Coin up. And yeah, Uniswap. Wow, what a pump. Awesome. I am a bag holder of Uniswap. So got them for free, baby. Let's get into it. Now, this is a tweet coming from Mark Cuban. And he spoke about DeFi and the fact that with the whole GameStop shares, or the GameStop stock, it's hard to say GameStop stock, right? But GameStop shares and the whole short end business and all that. Well, basically he went on this Twitter rant and spoke about DeFi and why DeFi is better than a centralized platform where you're trading your stocks. Those centralized platforms, even though they allow us to trade free, I'm throwing up air quotes here, they are making money when people short the stock because it's being loaned out to them on leverage, so to speak, right? So they're making 30% on that stock that they lend out to these hedge funds. So they lend it out to them and they have to pay them back the stock or price and plus 30%. All right, that said and done. Well, he's saying that whenever they do that, the users of the platform aren't getting a share of that 30%. But on something like a Uniswap, you are. And that's probably the reason why we're seeing Uniswap pump right now, because it's a decentralized exchange and you're taking part in the governance. You're taking part just from holding a token, right? Not even holding, I shouldn't say just from holding a token, but providing liquidity, right? Whenever they lend out the stocks, you're not getting a piece of that cake, okay? They're using your stocks and lending it out to these hedge funds to short it and making money at the same time. Well, on Uniswap, when you provide liquidity and every time there's a trade, you get a percentage of that trade based on the amount of liquidity that you provided, right? So if you provided $500 worth of Uniswap and $500 worth of ETH, right? Whatever that percentage is for the whole system, you're getting that cut. And that's a fair system, or a more fair system than the one where you're not getting anything at all and the brokerage firm is the one making most of the money, okay? And the hedge fund as well. So that's what he was tweeting about. I'll put a link in it and you go check it out. Another pump from Wall Street Bets. They are pumping everything. They pumped GameStop, AMC, Nokia, and what other business that was going under? Something else. Well, they also pumped Doge this week. We saw it went up to 8 cents. Doge has never been that high before. It went up to 8 cents. A lot of my friends made a lot of money. All right, that's not even traders or in the crypto space. One of my friends made 3 Bitcoin. Another friend of mine made almost a whole Bitcoin. Meanwhile, I'm over here only making half a Bitcoin. But hey, I'll take my little gains, right? However, it's not what you make, it's what you keep. A lot of those guys, I told them to get out or scale out as it kept going up, right? Change your sell order or change your stop loss. Some of them didn't even have stop loss, right? And didn't even know what that was, but that's not what I'm here for. Anyway, XRP gains 86% after Wall Street Bets crypto wing says pump it up. XRP price underwent a strong 86% breakout in the early trading hours of January 30th as the 4th ranked crypto by market cap became the new coin of focus in the Wall Street Bets cryptocurrency focus offshoot Satoshi Street Bets. And all you XRP bag holders, congratulations on that. All right. I still think that it could go under 20 cents. And that's when I would be picking some up personally to trade it. You know what I mean? But yeah. Next, we have Visa reaffirms commitment to crypto payments and fiat on-ramps. During the Visa Q1 earnings call on Thursday, Chairman and CEO Al Kelly devoted a portion of his comments to reaffirming the financial giant's commitment to crypto payments and on-ramps, as well as explaining how Visa thinks about crypto in general and our approach. Back in like 2017, you were paying a ridiculous amount of fees if you use your Visa credit card to buy crypto. Now they're partnering with crypto firms because they see that they're not needed. We don't need them as an intermediary anymore. We have cryptocurrencies and we can interact with each other, but they still need to be a part of the game, so to speak. And they realize that if they don't become a part of the game or participate in the game, they'll get left behind. They'll get blockbusted. The financial services firm with over $72 billion in assets as of 2019 has been aggressively pursuing crypto payments as of late, including by way of partnerships enabling crypto debit cards and investing in Zap, a crypto payment startup. Additionally, earlier this month, Visa was forced to abandon a $5.3 billion acquisition of payments platform Plaid on antitrust grounds. All right, and this is what the CEO said. Our strategy here is to work with wallets and exchanges to enable users to purchase these cryptocurrencies using their Visa credentials or to cash out onto our Visa credential to make a fiat purchase at any of the 70 million merchants where Visa is accepted globally. And he's talking about the store of value coins like Bitcoin and Litecoin and the sorts, right? So they have to play this. They have to get into the space because they'll get blockbuster, point blank, period. And next, FTX token. So any bag holders out there that's holding the FTT coin or the FTX token rallies 105% as interest in derivatives trading grows. In the last 30 days, FTX token rallied 105% as its exchange surpassed BitMEX and Deribit's open interest, but is there room for further upside? FTX is a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange backed by Alameda Research, a quantitative trading firm and crypto liquidity provider. The exchange launched in April 2019 and offered the usual spot trading, inverse swaps, and futures contracts that can be found at other major platforms. By early 2020, the exchange launched its daily and weekly binary BTC option market. FTT is the exchange native token, and it's issued on Ethereum blockchain. This is why Ethereum has a bright future, because everything is built on it. FTT stakers are granted a trading fee discount based on a tiered system, and other benefits include bonus votes in their polls and increased airdrop rewards. They have a great system set up. I'm going to read it right here. In November 2020, the exchange ventured into tokenized equity trading, albeit not available for U.S. citizens, of course. And it's saying that in December, FTX continued to innovate by launching a pre-IPO futures contract for Airbnb and Coinbase. How dope is that? They're they're launching like pre-IPO contracts, and you're able to bet on the price of those pre-IPOs, or price of the IPO at launch, basically, right? These contracts allow traders to speculate on what price those companies will list on a stock exchange for, basically. So yeah. And to further incentivize holding the token, FTX repurchases and burns 33% of all fees generated from the exchange and 10% of its insurance fund net additions. This process will continue until half of the $350 million supply, 350 million token supply, I should say, are destroyed. So they have that Binance effect going. Everybody is jumping on that Binance kind of effect, right? And it works. The less that's circulated, the higher your token price pumps. Next, this is coming from Decrypt. Anthony Pompliano, retail investors got it right, Wall Street got it wrong. Point blank, period. There's nothing to explain here. He went on Squawk Box. Like, nobody watches CNBC. You have to be at a certain age. I'm not trying to be an ageist here or anything, because I'm 40, right? Or I'm in my 40s, or I'm 42, but I don't even watch CNBC, right? And anybody I know don't really they get information from Twitter. No, I almost said CNBC like an idiot. No, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, uh, TikTok, YouTube. Like nobody watches CNBC. Like that shit is done. It's dead. It's corny, yo. Nobody watches that. You know what I mean? So he went on there and he basically said that Wall Street had been getting it wrong for the past decade. For the past decade, they've been getting it wrong. All right, they've missed out on a couple of key trends. There was millions of random people on the internet for the past decade that have outperformed these hedge funds by simply buying Bitcoin and holding it. That's facts right there. If you bought Bitcoin and you just held it, you outperform all these hedge funds, percentage-wise, right? If you bought Tesla and just held it, you outperform these hedge funds. So they've been getting it wrong, and they're going to continue to get it wrong because they are relying on their laurels. Like they're just basing it on the fact that they ran things for so many decades. But now everyone has information. Everyone has access to that information, and the information is out there. You don't have to wait for the paper, all right, and look at the in the back of the paper with the stock ticker numbers. Look at a stock price or buy Barron's or some book or something like that. No, everything is right there at your fingertip, right, available to you via the internet and your smartphone. You don't need to wait to go home and watch CNBC in the evening time or watch Fox Business. You don't need to do that. The information is there available to you, and they've been getting it wrong for the past decade. That's it. Let's discuss it in the comment section below. What's your thoughts on it? Smash that like, hit that subscribe button, notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Please, please, please share the video. Comment in the video. Let me know what you're having for dinner, for lunch, breakfast, whatever. Comment something in the video. Let's get this algorithm popping. Get me over that 1,000 subscribership mark, and someone will win a Ledger Nano S. I'm out. Peace.